Why your car hesitates when accelerating, easy fix. A car hesitates during acceleration due to insufficient power delivery from issues with the fuel system, such as dirty injectors or a failing fuel pump, or the ignition system, like faulty spark plugs or weak coils. Air intake problems, like a clogged air filter or malfunctioning mass airflow sensor, MAF, and vacuum leaks are also common culprits. Less common causes include transmission issues, a faulty throttle position sensor, or internal engine problems. Common causes: fuel system problems, dirty or clogged fuel injectors. Clogged injectors can't deliver enough fuel for proper combustion. Failing fuel pump. A weak or failing fuel pump may not provide consistent or sufficient fuel pressure, especially during acceleration when more fuel is needed. Clogged fuel filter. This restricts fuel flow to the engine, leading to hesitation. Ignition system problems. Faulty spark plugs. Worn or damaged spark plugs can cause misfires, leading to a loss of power. Weak ignition coils or bad spark plug wires. These components provide the spark needed to ignite the fuel mixture. If they are weak or faulty, the engine may not run efficiently. Air intake problems. Clogged air filter. A dirty filter restricts airflow to the engine, reducing power. Faulty mass airflow, MAF, sensor. The MAF sensor measures the amount of air entering the engine, and a faulty one sends incorrect data to the engine's computer. Vacuum leaks. A leak allows unmetered air into the engine, causing the air-fuel mixture to become too lean and resulting in poor performance. Throttle position sensor, TPS, issues. A faulty TPS may send incorrect signals to the engine's computer, affecting the air-fuel mixture and causing hesitation. More complex causes. Transmission issues. Problems like damaged clutches, clutch slippage, or a faulty transmission oil pump can cause hesitation. Internal engine damage. Issues like worn piston rings, damaged cylinder walls, or leaking valves can reduce engine compression and efficiency. What to do? Use a scan tool. A OBD2 scan tool can help identify fault codes, which can guide the diagnostic process. Consult a professional. Because there are many potential causes, it's best to have a qualified mechanic diagnose the problem, especially for issues with the transmission or internal engine components.